Today we're gonna do this. This is our 2005 Jeep Liberty. Yeah, it's pretty clean interior, pretty nicely equipped. So yeah, there she is from the back. So here's how we did that.
Hi guys, what are you doing?
We are removing the thermostat housing at the moment. And soon we're going to get this engine to top dead center and pull the, get down to the head gasket. Let it all away like a blind man.
Where did we get to today?
Took both valve covers off, took the thermostat out, took the oil filler housing off.
We're gonna take off the bumper, and we're gonna try to get that.
And all the things that come with it.
Everything. I'm gonna try to get that crank pulley out of there, so we can, because the detentioners for the timing chains are like in the timing. So we had to take off the timing cover and get into the timing chamber and then detention everything just to get the heads off, which is such a pain. So I got the cylinder head out on the Jeep. Yeah, I don't know what else there really is to say. So on the other cylinder head, I had to take out these guide rails for the chains. And I'm wondering if I can do that and relieve more tension on this chain, and then I'll be able to actually just take it off, and I won't have to take the sprocket off at all. So I'm going to try that later. I'm pretty much out of time for tonight. I got to go do some ladies' breaks tomorrow, so I need to go to bed. And yeah, so we're halfway towards being done disassembling it. Nice thing about this is the exhaust actually can just stay in the car. Just unbolt it from the head and leave it in there, and you're good to go. Yeah, maybe one day Jason and Mike might come help me. Maybe. Hard to say. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope this is an entertaining video to watch, and see you guys later.